And up first, we have Kabir Tejwani, who is he's from Athani, Karnataka, and he's currently holding 30 shares of Bajaj Housing Finance for a buying price of 180 rupees. Currently facing a loss of 1.9 thousand, and he's asking for the long-term view. Saurabh, I'll come to you. How does Bajaj Housing look for a long-term investment?
Housing is a very, it's a good idea for investment. While talking about the Bajaj Housing, this company has grown always higher than the industry. It is just about the valuation. After got listing, the stock rallied a lot, and maybe he has got the stock at the higher price only. The idea is that the company will surely grow, and the housing segment will surely grow in the next few years. But the point is, he has to be invested for the long term. I think 2 to 3 years is a time frame one should have he should be having in his mind. Don't need to average it, but keep holding, your price will come.
Keep holding, your price will come is the view coming in on Bajaj Housing Finance. The next question is from Dinesh, who's from Gurgaon. His question is on Orinoco Pharma. He's holding 15 shares bought at 1271 a piece. He wants to know whether at current levels he should buy more, hold or sell. Vinay, what's your take on this?
So basically, recently we saw that whenever the market started falling, the pharma sector was performing very well. But if I were to look at the setup of Orinoco Pharma, it did not participate that much. So it is one of the underperformer within the pharma space and healthcare space. Right now, many pharma stocks and healthcare stocks are showing strength. Some of them are trading and hovering around their 52-week highs. So this type of setup is not seen on the charts of Orinoco Pharma. In fact, it is trading at the lowest level since it had started correcting. So looking weak, bearish head and shoulder kind of pattern is also there. The only support which I see for the stock is around 1095. So setup is quite weak, and the strong sector you are trying to take a position in a weak stocks, which is not recommended. So what I would suggest is that stay away from this counter, and I think a new position should not be created because it is one of the underperformer, and technical setup is weak. So I'm expecting more downside, and 1095 is the next support level where important moving average support is there. So going by the technicals, I would not suggest to average or any long positions in this stock. So as stock has fallen in last 3-4 sessions, look for some recovery and then you can exit your position. But positionally, you should not take long trades in the Orinoco Pharma.
Got it. So it's a stay away from Oro Pharma, but we do have a caller coming through, and this is Yuvraj from Ahmedabad. Good morning, Yuvraj.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is your query, and what stock is this regarding?
Yeah, it is E2E Networks. I have got 34 shares, bought it at the price of 4,200. I want to know the fundamental view on this.
Okay, got it. And
I'm holding it for long term.
Okay, could I just ask your rationale when you got into this position?
Yeah, basically it was a play for call center and AI in India.
Got it. Saurabh, I'll come to you. A caller wants the fundamental view for E2E shares. What's the outlook on this one?
Yeah, the stock is not really in coverage, but on the valuation side, it looks quite expensive, trading at 16 times to book value and 300 times to trailing earnings. So in that sense, in my opinion, I think it should be avoided.
Vinay, how does it fare on charts?
Yeah, so a couple of months back, there was a doji candle pattern on the monthly chart. So it is definitely a long-term after a stellar rally. This kind of pattern was seen in the end of November 2024. And after that, stock has started correcting. So I think it is in a profit booking phase. So one should avoid taking long position at this price. It has shown some sign of reversal on the long-term chart. So better to wait for proper correction to come. So if it is a good fundamental company, then we might get this stock at lower level, and again the potential of upside will open. But as of now, going by the technicals, I don't see any setup of going long as of now. So wait and watch should be the approach.